Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to add your About section on Pinterest using your PC, following the latest updates. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering inspiration, ideas, and connecting with like-minded people. A well-crafted About section helps others understand who you are and what you're passionate about, making your profile more engaging. Let's dive into the simple steps to update yours. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You should spot a gear icon there. This is your gateway to the settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking the gear icon will reveal a few options. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Pinterest account. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options on the left-hand side. Look for Edit Profile and click on it. This is where you can personalize your profile, including your name, username, and of course, your About section. Now you're in the Edit Profile section. Here, you'll see a text bar labeled About. This is where you can add a brief description of yourself, your interests, or anything else you want people to know about you. Feel free to get creative and let your personality shine. Think of your About section as your digital introduction. Are you a DIY enthusiast? A foodie with a passion for exotic cuisine? Or maybe a travel blogger exploring hidden gems around the world? Whatever it is, make sure to capture the essence of who you are in this short blurb. Remember, this is your chance to make a great first impression, so make it count. Once you've added or updated your About section, take a moment to review it and make sure it accurately reflects who you are. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll find a Save button. Give it a click, and voila! Your updated About section is now live on your Pinterest profile. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add or update your About section on Pinterest using your PC. A compelling About section can help you attract more followers, connect with like-minded individuals, and make the most of your Pinterest experience. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the world know what you're all about.